Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the Discord server that's in the works right now. Here's a quick screenshot of what it looks like so far. So we're going to obviously have a welcome page with a disclaimer and obviously some instructions on how to use the Discord channel. We'll have an announcements page where you can keep up to date with what's new with the Discord server and also what's new with my YouTube channel. I'll have an application where it will automatically scrape the YouTube videos from YouTube whenever I post them, so you can watch them directly from the Discord server, or you'll at least be notified that a new video has gone live. I'm also going to add the capability where we can follow Reddit subreddits and also popular stocks and popular option Twitter accounts directly into our Discord server. So you don't have to have multiple applications open up in the background. You don't have to have my Discord server up, a YouTube page up in the background, Twitter up, and so forth. You should be able to get all that information directly from a Discord server, so it's all in one place. And again, this will be real-time updates, so whenever the Twitter accounts that we follow post, you'll know it immediately if you're in the Discord server as well. Now, as far as the bread and butter of our Discord channel, so far, just brainstorming, I've come up with a few channels. I was going to add a newsroom channel where we could post and talk about breaking news, things that are happening in the economy, things that are happening in the government that may impact our stock and options trading. I'm definitely going to have a learning center where we can have a very newbie friendly zone where people can ask beginner level questions or really any questions at all. We can post helpful videos that we've come across or helpful websites, so we can just educate ourselves and just help one another out to learn and just ultimately become profitable. I'm going to have another channel where people can post their technical analysis, so they can post their graphs and the TA that they're doing, whether it's Ichimoku clouds or DMI or RSI or MACD or whatever indicator people like to use. Feel free to go ahead and post your due diligence in that channel. Obviously, I'm going to have one separate channel just for stocks discussion, so people that want to talk about just buying and selling shares of stock outright can discuss that in that channel. I'm going to have another channel that's just for options, so people that want to buy and sell options, do a little bit of both, trade spreads, whatever they want to do, they can discuss in the options channel. And then I'm going to have a subsection where it's solely for Theta Gang. So basically people that want to discuss selling puts or selling calls, that's going to be a channel just dedicated to Theta Gang, just to keep it a little bit separate from the options channel where people may discuss buying options as well. If people are interested, I was thinking about having a crypto channel. So if you trade Ethereum or Bitcoin or Litecoin or any of the other coins, you can discuss that there. Also, if there's enough demand for it, I might keep this Forex channel. I personally don't trade Forex, but if there's people that do, and they just want to hang out in this Discord server for kind of a jack of all trades and discuss Forex, by all means, go for it. I'm going to have one channel that's going to be just kind of a bragging rights channel for profits and losses. So if you want to post your daily or weekly gains just for bragging rights, feel free to do so there. I'm going to have another channel that's basically just for general personal finance. So if people want to discuss their home mortgages or their checking or savings account or which credit card is the best to open up or gives you the best rewards, you can go ahead and talk about that in their personal finance channel. And then of course I'm going to have a suggestion box, so if there's something that you would like to see in the Discord server or on my YouTube channel, or something you don't want to see anymore, or something you think is just cluttering the server, please just go ahead and drop a comment in the suggestion box. If enough people agree, we'll get rid of it, or we'll add whatever you want to add. If you want to follow another Twitter account, please leave me a suggestion there. And then we're going to have just an after hours section where people can just hang out and relax after hours or on the weekend. So we'll have just a general lounge where you can talk about anything: sports, movies, music, video games, whatever you like. I'm also thinking about adding a little game. It's a casino bot, so people can play the slot machine and just earn virtual coins for bragging rights, of course. But maybe if enough people play the game, I'll have some sort of reward at the end. So maybe the highest coin total at the every month, maybe I'll give that person a free 1 month subscription, or maybe I'll give them some sort of perk where I can create a separate VIP lounge. Maybe they get access to the VIP lounge. I don't know. We'll have to think about it in the future, but it would be nice to have some sort of fun reward that people that want to play that game just for kicks. And then, of course, this being Discord, I'm going to have a few voice channels where people can talk through a microphone and discuss trades or whatever they want to do in real time. So I'll have one channel that's for stocks and options discussion. So people that want to trade maybe in real time, maybe they're day trading and they want to discuss things before they put in that buy or sell order. I'll obviously have a lounge. So again, people can talk about the recent movie they've seen or the sports team, or heck, you could even essentially talk about the sporting event live while it's happening with your friends, or you could even watch a movie together and be live on the Discord channel and just talk about it as the movie's going on. And then I'm going to have a separate voice channel that's going to be run through a bot where you can listen to music. And so what you have to do is you can actually just open up that voice channel, type in whatever song or songs you want to listen to or add to your queue, and it'll play in the background, and then you can continue on and browse any of the other Discord channels that I just mentioned while you have music playing in the background. So what I'm trying to do is just create a one-stop shop where you can come in, just log in, relax. If you want to learn about stocks, if you want to trade stocks, if you just want to hang out with your friends, all you have to do is just fire up this server and just sit back and enjoy the ride. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I am working on it. It is a little bit more challenging than I thought because I'm learning all of this on the fly. So it looks like at the last I checked, we are a little over 900 subscribers on the YouTube channel. So I'm predicting, if things keep going well, by the end of this week or maybe the end of next week, we should hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So I'm trying to get this server ready to go. So as soon as we hit that 1,000 subscribers, we can get this thing going. You guys can join and we can get it fired up. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and happy trading.